If you work with the option display valid elements, then the function select mirror line will only display the straight lines which you can click with the function. Now I would like to show you a special thing which could happen in the daily work. Imagine that somebody has created a point on this curve and then that this point has been deleted. You have a straight line before your eyes, but for the system, the line is still a curve and not a straight line. This is the reason why the line is not be displayed by the function select mirror line. What can you do in this case? In this case, use the macro curve to mirror line which is in Smart Run in the menu 0AY rotate mirror and click the line. End the macro with the left mouse button. You would have one similar difficulty if you had two elements instead of one for your mirror line and merge them together. It is not enough to delete the curve point. Use the macro curve to mirror line. End the macro with the left mouse button. If you often have this situation, get used to selecting the macro instead of using the CAD function when you want to define mirror pieces.